If you've been looking for a way to keep your pet's water bowl full of fresh water with less effort, this gravity water bowl dispenser is amazing. I love that it has a stainless steel bowl and it comes with the receptacle and it also comes with a cleaning tool. The lid of the water receptacle dispenser has a little toggle there so that the water only comes out when it is pressed, and that helps to prevent overflowing. I like that it comes with little rubber feet, so if you want to put this on a tile floor without a pad or anything like that, it should not slide around. Here you can see me filling up this gravity water bowl, and my cats are really happy about this. So if you are like me and you want your pets to have fresh water without the effort, I 100% recommend this bowl.